Hey guys, today I'll be wrestling. Alexa, unpause. First round. I forgot to mention, don't look at him. He's not gonna win this anyways. We're going for this. So let's go. What?
I think you're good.
How long is this match? You think the bunny can take all that?
No, I need one of my long ones.
Oh, yep. 1, 2.
He kicked out. Oh, buddy rabbit.
Bunny ain't moved this whole time. Five knuckles.
Yeah. Just discontinuous.
I think you're in sleep. Oh.
Alexa,
Oh.
play John Cena.
You better pause it. That's a long video.
Just had a 10-minute session.
Yep.
No,
That's enough for now.
that was only 3 minutes.
Okay. Stop it and do another one.
Oh. You just want your phone.
No, I said record another one.
Three, two, one. Ding, ding, ding. We'll be back in a second for the second round. Let's go, boys. Second round. Let's go. Ready, set, go. noise. Nature Boy, get it? Because he's a bunny.
His name's Nature Boy.
This stuff's good.
Go on his YouTube channel.
Nature Boy.
I mean, that might be our favorite dip he played.
You guys see me take this 5-knuckle shuffle.
Interesting call, to say the least, but it'll put him way behind the chains. First down and 18. Duggan to throw it out of his own end zone.
2, 3, 2, 1. Ding, ding, ding. You guys see me? Alright. Next one will be the third round. Let's go. Oh, sorry guys, I need a drink, okay. Finishing touch. Big Chungus versus John Cena. Alexa, play Big Chungus.
Big Chungus by CG5 from Spotify.
Big Chungus the bunny. Alexa, play John Cena songs.
Playing songs by John Cena from Spotify.
And ladies and gentlemen, John Cena is back! Alexa, off. Alright, finishing touch, ready, set, go. He's a big junkie, yeah. You can see me, yeah. Take this 5-knuckle shuffle, yeah. You can see me. Take this 5-knuckle shuffle. Oh. You can see me. You can see me. Knuckle. We will see you in next round.